Congratulations on your new pool, and thank you for choosing Pools by John Clarkson. We can't wait to get you swimming. Though before you can dive in, there is a lot to do, and it's going to be messy. This guide will familiarize you with our construction processes and multiple phases involved in building the pool. First and foremost, this is a major home renovation. If you've ever experienced any home renovation, you know that it'll be messy and inconvenient. Constructing a pool is a big process that involves a lot of heavy machinery, loads of dirt, large material deliveries, concrete trucks, and many large construction crews. Your backyard will be an active construction site, and it will certainly look and feel that way. With all this going on, there are a few things you need to be prepared for. Access. We will need access to your pool from the street. Any concrete in the access path, including driveways, can be cracked. This access is going to be thoroughly worn by heavy machinery and foot traffic. You will want to resod your grass areas once we're done. Staging. In addition to the pool access area, we will need an area for staging materials in between phases, such as deck pavers, plumbing pipe, pool equipment. Active construction site. As an active construction site, there will be construction debris and untidiness. Trash will be placed in a designated collection area to be removed later in the project. If any of this unfamiliar construction process scares you, don't worry, we got this. Pools by John Clarkson has constructed over 2,500 pools in the Jacksonville area, and we're 100% committed to delivering the pool of your dreams. And if you need any support, our customer care team is here for you. Customer care interacts closely with scheduling, construction, and design teams and can answer any questions you have. Part 1, form, dig, steel, shoot. The first part is the most exciting, and it's time to dig your pool. You can be prepared by ensuring a few things. Your access is ready, clear, and any fence panels are removed. Irrigation lines in the pool area or access are cut and capped as needed. Trees, bushes, and any other obstructions in the pool access or equipment area are removed as needed. First, we will need to pre-grade your yard to remove surface grass and level things out. Next, we will need to form your pool walls. Then, using an excavator, we will dig your pool and remove the dirt from your yard. Now we steel the pool, forming the concrete shells, internal reinforcements, and pre-plumbing necessary in-pool plumbing fittings. For your safety, please stay away from the edge of the pool. Finally, we will shoot the shell using high-velocity concrete application method called shotcrete. A concrete pump, concrete truck, and large crew is involved in this phase, which is the messiest and largest scale phase of construction. Part 2, plumbing, electrical, equipment. Next, we will install all plumbing lines and electrical conduits between the pool and equipment areas and set your pool equipment. You are responsible for providing power to the equipment area. That must be completed or we will place your project on hold. Plumbing and electrical trenches are large machine-made trenches. For your safety and to ensure integrity of the lines in the trenches, please stay away from the plumbing trenches. Your equipment location was determined at your pre-site meeting. Minimum clearance requirements for equipment components will impact exact location. For example, gas heaters cannot be within 5 feet of a door opening window. Part 3, tile, coping, deck, stonework. Now it's time to install your tile, coping, deck, and any stonework required. The finish line is within sight. Do not touch any of the new work, it's still setting. Deck deliveries are big. Make sure your staging area is cleared for us. First, the tile is set, but please do not touch as it's still setting and its fragile edges can be chipped. Next, we'll add the coping that sets above the waterline tile. That's the edge of your deck that meets the pool. Finally, we install your deck material. Your dream pool is starting to take shape and some of that dust is going away. Part 4, prep, plaster, startup. There's just a little more left to do and then it's time to swim. Ensure all safety measures such as fences and screen required in your agreement are completed. Do not swim until official startup is complete. First, we'll thoroughly clean and prep the pool surface to get it ready for plaster. Next, the plaster crew will apply your pool's plaster and hand trowel the finish. This phase involves a large crew and a large plaster truck. When your pool is filling, it is important to leave the water on until the pool is full to the tile. Or a permanent ring can form where you stop the water. Do not do that first cannonball until your pool goes through official startup so that chemicals are balanced and ready for you. Wrap up. Now that your pool is complete, enjoy it. Have a morning cup of coffee and enjoy the sunrise by your new pool. or a relaxing cocktail as the sun sets at the end of a very long day. However you use your pool, we know that you will enjoy it for many years to come. Thank you so much for choosing Pools by John Clarkson to build the backyard of your dreams.